Indiana Grills, welcome back, folks. I get a lot of questions on this here table right here. I've had this for 3 years. It's from VEVOR. It's stainless steel, has wheels on it. Folks, this thing is 24 by 35 inches, top shelf, bottom shelf, 100% stainless steel. I've had this for 3 years now, so I'm doing a 3-year review, and I'm also doing some upgrades to it. If you've watched the channel before, you can see those are new wheels. We're gonna show you. When I got this, I paid 110 bucks for it. It's now 85 bucks. You're crazy if you're looking for a good rolling table for your basement, this is good enough where you can put it in your kitchen. And out here for putting, you know, like my Weber Go Anywhere or some of my portable pellet grills, this thing's perfect for it. And you folks have asked time and time again, Tom, where'd you get that from? Keep on watching. I'm going to go through it. I'm going to show you everything about this. I'm going to show you the upgrade I did to it. I'm going to show how it's held up after 3 years. I'm going to leave the link down below. Not only can you get this 85 bucks, but my link is going to have 5% off on that. Interested? Well, let's keep on going. I got her down in the shop. I did clean it up and I did do some modifications here. I wanted to add different wheels. We'll show you that. But I just wanted you to take a look at the top here. How solid it is. It's got the stainless steel, and then there's like a plywood backing underneath it. And it is held up. And a lot of you look at that a lot of times and say, hey, that's pretty cool. I'd like to have that too. Now you can see I do have one little dent down there. After 3 years, yeah, I hit something with it over the time. So that bottom shelf does not have any backer. I'm going to show you that here. But other than that, I mean, stainless steel. What more could you do? Right, let's take a look at the underside after 3 years and see how it's held up. Yeah, this still is kind of, my mind is still, this was 110 bucks. And 3 years later, it's 85 bucks. So minus the wheels. Now remember, I did these wheels and the thread pattern did not match. I had to tap those out. So I'm not going to leave the link down below if you can find these threads. So here's what prompted me to start this whole dealio here is that the wheels were looking pretty ratty. So I was going to take them off and just clean them up. And the thought was, well, you know, if I could raise it up a little bit more, and this raises it up an inch, it's okay. But you know, I can't ever get the half inch is the same, but the threads are different. So I don't know what it is with these damn things. But anyway, taking a closer look at the underside, you can see they attach really nicely. So you've got four, and I did take an Allen and tighten those up. And you can see, look at that, the construction there. So that's all stainless steel. Now, this bottom shelf, there's nothing underneath it, you know, and you can see I got a couple little dents after 3 years. That top shelf, though, has got, I think, plywood underneath it. But after 3 years, that's held up just fine. This is all stainless steel. Everything's stainless steel. The only thing that wasn't stainless steel on this thing was the legs. It was I mean, not the legs, the casters and the caster assembly. But everything else is stainless, and it's held up just fine after 3 years. And it's only 85 bucks. Holy cow. Let's let's get her back on her feet and wrap this thing up. I get questions all the time. How do you maintain this stuff? How do you keep it nice and shiny? Well, here's the secret right here. This stuff has been around for years and years and years. And they used to sell it in a spray, and I loved it. And the stuff is made in California. And the environmental people in California have deemed that the spray was dangerous to all of us. It's amazing I'm still alive, but they stopped making it. So I get this at my local Menards, which is like a hardware store chain here in the Midwest. I think this is also available like on Amazon, but you'd have to go looking. But I just put it on like wax and then buff it off just with a clean towel. And it's kept this thing shiny for 3 years. All right, you're saying, well, where can I get one of these too? And Tom, you keep talking about a discount. Yeah, I'm going to leave a link down below. You get 5% off, and you got to go to VEVOR.com, and there it is. And just search, and like I said, I'll leave the link to make it easy for you. But less than 100 bucks, 80, let's call it 86 bucks. That's a heck of a deal. Remember, it doesn't come with the modifications that I just did putting the wheels on, but the wheels that are on there lasted this many years. This is, like I said, a lot of you folks ask for it. Well, there it is. Let's keep on going. There it is, all ready to go for the next cook. You can see that works perfect for a portable pellet grill or anything. Remember, 24 by 35, 85 bucks, 5% off discount down below. Tom Horsman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment. And as always, folks, I appreciate you watching. Thank you.